What's up, everybody? Welcome to another edition of Stocks in Play Daily. This is the results from Thursday, December 22nd, and we'll be using this watch list for Friday trades, the 23rd. Let's go ahead and start here by checking out things that worked from the list or previous lists today. ACER continuation here above yesterday's levels and testing yesterday's highs. Led to a breakout and test of the pre-market high here. Pop above and volume started to swell and pick up. We shot all the way up to one of my other target levels of 420, 418 range here. Tapping right in with the 200-day moving average on a 2-year weekly chart. Okay, ORMP. Oramed Pharmaceuticals worked. I got this one on the list today, so I'll go over it further in a minute. But targets on this were 1050 and 1083. You can see here we went straight past 1050 up to 1080, closing here at 1074 currently. 1080 was a target, but we'll need to break past that. I'll go over that further down the line here. Alright, next up, IFRX. IFRX had a 297 target, 280, and 293. 297 tap out here on this wick, slightly above it. What did we even tap? 298, of course, confirming a retest of one of our moving averages. And working our way up here into the goal range of $3 and eventually $3.18. Right about here. Alright. Let's see, what else do we got here? That's good for our continuations from yesterday. Keeping it simple. Also, I believe Ever was one more before I move on. Ever here, you can tell we had a break above yesterday's highs here, and then we have a test of the pre-market highs here. Slight test of a moving average back down. Pullback is a great time to add for a potential shot at high of day past these tested levels. Alright, very nice as well. Ever we have some targets about $16 price range and around $16.70, we'll call it forever. The watch list from today, scanner results for some abnormal volume, ORIC. This is Oric Pharmaceuticals, currently at $4.79 a share. This is a 7-month breakout just about. News would be clinical development collaboration with Pfizer, and they're agreeing, this is a negative, they're agreeing to sell 5.3 million shares at $4 a share, which is above our current price of $4.79 actually. Anyways, if this trade works, it's going to work it regardless. Relative volume compared to itself past 20 days, 4.3 times normal amount. Average trading day range 23 cents, and today we moved about 3 or 4, oh wow, wait, a lot past that, this gap up here. Okay, next up on the list, PRQR. This was on the scanner yesterday, but I was not interested in it. It was just one of these aftermarket moves, and I don't even think I was watching it today, but this was a sweet dip and rip. Would have been great to catch this and have some type of a vibe off of it. Perhaps the volume's a way to confirm what was happening here with these buyers stepping in. That giant candle should have been a big alert, and this one just shot straight up. That's right, that was the candle here to notice. Continuations here available still. We have to hold 246 for this trade to be in play, in my opinion. 245. I'd like to see even possible okay range 215 for a pullback. trade confirmation breakouts 287 and 297, so we could work towards this 310 range. Past that, we're looking at target goals of $4, 430, 445, and about 470. $5 range is going to be just about potentially near meeting this 200-day moving average. We'll see. That's the year chart here. Okay, next up on the list we have DAO. UDAO Incorporated, currently $6.69 a share. This is another one on the list of just sympathy from the Chinese pressures easing overall, the delisting concerns, the COVID lockdowns, all that stuff. Relative volume on this stock is 4 times its normal amount. Average daily trading range is about 43 cents. It's about double that today. This stock would need to hold 627 just about here to be a nice trade. 642 is even better if we can hold here. Confirmation for this trade will be breaking above the highs of 674, 690 range. 674 is the consolidation. We need a break above it. 690 is a harder level to break above, but if it happens, we'll be targeting 725, 769, just about, like right about there. I can't quite hit it right now. And 784 as a next target, right about there. Okay, next up on the list, we're looking at APCX. This is Aptech. Aptech is currently at $2.74 a share. As far as I could see, there's no visible news. The chart looks great here, however, so it would be cool to see this continue. Relative volume, we're trading 3 times the normal amount. Average trading range is 35 cents per day. We did about $1.10 today. It's about 3 times that amount, give or take, almost 4 times its normal amount. This stock would need to hold 245 range for it to be a confirmed trade. Breakout levels 280 is very important. We need to get and test above 290, 292 possibly. Working above 3, we would need to break above 327, the high of the day. Above 327, I believe we could target 370 and 381, then $4. 370, 381-ish, 380-ish, and 4 is standardized next level. But if this trade wants to get really bullish, we'll be trying to aim for 450 as well. Perfectly even 50-cent margin numbers here in between. Okay, continuing on. Number 5 on our list today, ORMP. This is the stock from yesterday's list as well, popping up again. Cool to see. Stock is at $10.74 a share now. On November 18th, they signed an $18 million contract for oral insulin distribution in South Korea. Relative volume is trading 3 times its normal amount. Average trading range per day is about 70 cents. I'd say this stock needs to hold $10 to be in play still. 10 flat, 10.15 is even better if we can hold around 10.15. And confirmation of this trade moving and making the next step up, I'd say, is above this high of the day at 10.80. Target levels after that, I'm looking at 11.10. It's about here. And we're looking at 12.18. It's right about there. and a goal of 1280 potentially. Maybe around here, or even here. Okay. What I'm looking at currently this week specifically, ACER, we were talking about earlier, PRVB has confirmation from the FDA that Sanofi is going to have to purchase this stock, I believe, doing a hold on this until at least February or that news popping. Microsoft looking to trade this to potentially 230, give or take, on the 1 year day chart. The 230 level is a little more defined on why as a gap here. So yeah, maybe 231. We'll see. Maybe 229 it might hit as a full test. Microsoft I'm watching. Airbnb expecting a slight pullback up here. Test towards VWAP. Test up towards the 90 or at least 87, 88 level. Maybe 89. Holding a couple butterflies on them. PG, I'm expecting a test back up towards the highs of like 153, 155 range perhaps. Holding both ways on PG, just in case. No idea what we're going to see here. Myrna, holding some 217 calls. Looking to see if we could get a test at 220. And got to go to holding $4 call. Expecting it to have a chance to go in the money tomorrow, and I would hold some shares on this stock up to maybe potential of a $6 range, I was thinking. But this stock's just nuts. We'll see. $6 to $8. Not sure what's going on here. We'll see. Sky's the limit with this one. I'd like to see it hit about here. This could be topping out, but it's tough to say. This wasn't necessarily a weekday. This was a nice day still today, with a good solid hold above yesterday's post-market consolidation levels. Not even during the day's levels. We didn't even get there. So I'm in with this. I think it's going to break above 4. I'd like to see that continue. So we'll see. Other than that, thank you guys for checking in. I hope you all have a good day today, and good luck tomorrow. Merry Christmas time too. It's almost coming up. I'm going to Texas. See you in the fam. Have a good one, guys. Bye.